Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Suhail Khan and I am a Cisco certified trainer. I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. And today in this lecture I am going to start a Python new web series, new video lecture series for all the beginners or the intermediate or advanced level. Okay. So today in this practical I am going to start a new series for Python. So today is the first lecture of a Python. Okay. So in today's lecture we are going to learn about introduction to Python because today is the first lecture. All right. So in today's lecture what we are going to learn? What is Python programming? Where it is used? Who develop Python programming? And top 10 companies using Python. So friends, it is a Python full video course I am going to prepare for you guys. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like the channel for the latest update and watch the video till the end and share with your friends and families. And one more important thing, I teach CCNA, CCNP and Python programming online worldwide. Okay, and this is my WhatsApp number and this is my email ID. You can contact me at this number for online training worldwide. It will be a live online training plus I give 100% guaranteed expertization that I will make you guys expert whether you are fresher or whether you are not. And one important thing, if you are learning Python from me, there is no need of any basic knowledge. I will teach you from very scratch. Okay, and how to go to my channel, just go to YouTube and type CCNA expert or CCNA by Suhail Khan, both will be okay. CCNA expert is the name of my channel. Just go to my channel and this is my channel name. Click here. Okay, and while clicking here don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, because if you subscribe the channel and if you hit the bell icon, okay, like this, okay, this is how you will subscribe and you will hit the bell icon. All right, so if you hit the bell icon, so you will be updated by new video course because here you will get all the videos CCNA, CCNP and Python programming, new videos and all. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe and watch the video till the end. So let's start. Okay, so let's start the video. So in today's video, this will be the topic lecture one, introduction to Python. All right. So let's start. So Python programming. So what is Python? So basically, we are learning the Python version 3. Python version 2 and Python version 3 are very different from each other. And in today's lecture, we are going to learn Python version 3. Okay. So now what is Python? Actually, Python is not a new language. It is an older than Java because most of the people think that Python came into existence in 2018 or 2019. No, no, no. This is wrong. Python is older than Java. Java introduced in 1995, whereas Python introduced in 1989. So it means Python is much older than Java and Python came first as compared to Java. So why it is came into an existence right now, like why it is so booming right now? Because it is easy to learn. Okay, it is easy to learn and it has a very much high libraries on internet. Plus you can use Python programming for machine learning, GUI, software development, web development, and in networking you can use it for network automation. Okay, but to all of this you first need to learn Python core. Python core means a Python basic to intermediate to advanced level. First you have to learn that thing, and then after learning that you can go for machine learning, software development, web development, anything. You can do anything with the Python. That is why it is also called as general purpose language. Okay, because you can apply Python programming in any stream. Okay, so now why the name is Python? Okay, so let me tell you, the author of the Python is Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum is the name of the author of the Python. He is the big fan of British comedy movie called Monty Python Flying Circus. Okay, and that's why he kept the name Python or Python. Some says Python and some says Python. All right. Now the last thing is top 10 companies using the Python. Yeah, so like I've said earlier also, Python is very booming, and like these are the companies: Instagram, Google, Spotify, Netflix, Uber, Dropbox, Printex, Instacart, Reddit, Live. So these are the companies who are using Python. See here, Instagram are using Python, Google is using Python, this Spotify is using Python, this Netflix, you are aware of this web series. So Netflix is using Python, Uber is using Python, okay, and this Dropbox is using Python. Pinterest, you have seen this. Pinterest is using Python. In Instacart is using Python. So like everywhere, Reddit, this is always are using Python. Lyft and many more companies are using the Python. All right. And so this is all about the first lecture. In second lecture, I'm going to show you how to install the software for Python and how to download the software and how to start the Python. So in today's lecture, lecture number 1, we have learned about the Python. So what is Python? Python is a general purpose language. It is a programming language which you can use and you can apply in many ways in many streams. Where it is used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, network automation, software development, web development. You can use anything. Who developed Python programming? Guido van Rossum is the author of Python, and he liked the comedy movies, a British movie Monty, like Python Flying Circus. So hence the name is Python, and we have learned about the top 10 companies who are using the Python. Okay, so don't forget to watch the lecture 2. In lecture 2, I'm going to show you how to install the Python, what are the software we need for the Python. This is very basic, I'm teaching you. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for the notification. And for online training, you can contact me. This is my number. Okay, thanks for to subscribing my channel and thanks for your love and support. Thank you very much. Don't forget to